In the world of electric vehicles, a new giant has emerged. BYD, build your dreams, from China. Once a name known only to industry insiders, BYD has rapidly become a symbol of innovation and ambition, shaking up the global automotive landscape. With its roots in battery manufacturing, the company has transformed itself into a powerhouse, now standing shoulder to shoulder with the world's biggest car makers. Once a quiet battery maker, BYD now leads the charge with cutting-edge technology, aggressive pricing, and a vision to make electric cars accessible to all. Their mission is simple but bold: to put clean, affordable transportation within reach for millions, not just the wealthy few. BYD's cars are now a common sight on city streets across China, and their influence is spreading fast to markets around the world. In 2022, BYD made a historic decision. It stopped making traditional gas cars altogether, focusing its entire production on new energy vehicles, fully electric and advanced plug-in hybrids. This wasn't just a business move, it was a statement of intent, signaling to the world that the future of mobility is electric, and BYD intends to lead the way. This bold move let BYD leap ahead, developing tech that's making legacy automakers nervous. While others hesitated, BYD invested heavily in research and development, pushing the boundaries of what electric vehicles can do. Their relentless drive for innovation has forced even the most established brands to rethink their strategies. BYD's latest engine technology isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap that could make petrol and diesel engines obsolete. Their new powertrains are more efficient, more powerful, and more reliable than ever before, setting new benchmarks for the entire industry. The company's engineers are reimagining what's possible, and the results are turning heads everywhere. The company's strategy is more than just clever engineering, it's about controlling every part of production, from batteries to software. By keeping everything in-house, BYD can innovate faster, respond to market changes quickly, and ensure the highest quality at every step. This level of vertical integration is rare in the auto industry, and it gives BYD a powerful edge over its competitors. BYD's vertical integration, rapid innovation, and fearless global expansion set it apart. The company isn't content to dominate just the Chinese market. It's exporting cars to Europe, South America, and beyond, challenging established brands on their home turf. Each new market brings fresh challenges, but BYD's adaptability and ambition are driving its global rise. It builds its own batteries, microchips, and even self-driving systems, keeping costs low and quality high. This self-reliance means BYD isn't at the mercy of global supply chain disruptions, and it can bring new technologies to market faster than almost anyone else. The company's investment in automation and smart manufacturing is setting new standards for efficiency and innovation. The world is watching as BYD challenges the old guard, reshaping the future of cars. Industry analysts, journalists, and rival executives are all paying close attention, wondering just how far this Chinese upstart can go. With every new model and every international launch, BYD is proving that the era of electric vehicles has truly arrived. In this video, we'll explore BYD's revolutionary engine, its business triumphs, the hurdles it faces, and ask, can this Chinese dragon truly change the automotive world? Join us as we dive deep into the story of BYD, a company that's not just building cars, but building the future of transportation itself. At the heart of BYD's rise is its revolutionary plug-in hybrid powertrain. The fifth-generation DMI system pairs a highly efficient petrol engine with a powerful electric motor and advanced battery. The result? Over 2,000 kilometers of range, eliminating range anxiety for good. BYD's vertical integration means it can offer this tech at prices rivaling or even undercutting traditional gas cars. This isn't just a bridge for hesitant buyers, it's a direct challenge to legacy automakers. BYD's hybrids offer silent, zero-emission driving for daily commutes and long-range capability for road trips. Competitors now face a nightmare superior performance, lower costs, and a shrinking window to catch up. The race for the future just got a lot more intense. BYD's strength goes far beyond engines. While many automakers focus on horsepower and speed, BYD has reimagined what it means to be a car company in the 21st century. Their vision is not just about building vehicles, but about transforming the entire driving experience for millions of people. Its real power lies in a holistic approach, combining affordability, in-house production, and cutting-edge smart technology. BYD's factories are a showcase of advanced robotics and engineering, where innovation is woven into every step of the process. Take the BYD Seagull EV, for example. Priced at under $10,000, it's a game-changer in the electric vehicle market, offering a level of affordability that Western rivals simply can't match. This makes electric mobility accessible to a much wider audience, accelerating the shift to cleaner transportation. Nearly every component, from high-performance batteries to advanced semiconductors, is made in-house. This unique level of vertical integration allows BYD to slash costs, maintain strict quality control, and rapidly innovate without relying on external suppliers. By controlling its entire supply chain, BYD shields itself from global disruptions and supply shortages. This stability means they can pass significant savings directly to buyers, making their cars even more attractive in a competitive market. But BYD isn't stopping at affordability and reliability. The company is at the forefront of smart technology, making its God's Eye self-driving system standard on most models in China. This advanced system brings features like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and real-time hazard detection to everyday drivers. By bundling these advanced features at no extra cost, BYD is redefining what buyers expect from a modern car. Customers are discovering a new level of convenience, safety, and connectivity, without having to pay a premium. The result is a value proposition that's nearly impossible for competitors to beat. BYD's cars are not only affordable and reliable but also packed with technology and ready for the global stage. BYD isn't just building cars, it's building the future of mobility, setting new standards for what's possible in the automotive world. BYD's strategy is paying off with explosive growth. In 2024, it posted $107 billion in revenue and sold over 4.27 million new energy vehicles, a 41% jump from the previous year. While Toyota sold more cars overall, BYD is closing the gap fast and aims to be even more profitable per vehicle. Overseas sales are booming too, with exports set to double in 2025. BYD's momentum is shaking up boardrooms worldwide. Legacy automakers are watching a new powerhouse rise, one that's profitable, innovative, and expanding at breakneck speed. These aren't just numbers. They signal a seismic shift in global market power. The old guard is officially on notice. BYD's ambitions are truly global. The company isn't content with dominating just its home market in China, it's setting its sights on the entire world. As the electric vehicle revolution accelerates, BYD is positioning itself as a leader not just in Asia but across continents, aiming to become a household name wherever cars are sold. It's not just exporting cars, it's building factories in key markets like Thailand, Brazil, and Hungary. By investing directly in these regions, BYD is embedding itself into local economies, creating jobs, and forging partnerships with local suppliers. This approach helps the company understand and respond to the unique needs of each market. Local production means lower costs, faster delivery, and immunity from tariffs. It also allows BYD to adapt its vehicles to local regulations and consumer preferences, making its cars more appealing and accessible to a wider audience. BYD is already a top EV brand in places like Brazil, Mexico, and Australia, adapting its lineup to local tastes. Whether it's compact city cars or larger SUVs, BYD is tailoring its offerings to fit the lifestyles and expectations of drivers in each country. Its new Thai factory anchors its Southeast Asian push, while a Hungarian plant targets the EU. These strategic locations give BYD a foothold in rapidly growing markets and established automotive hubs, allowing it to scale up production and distribution efficiently. More factories are planned for Indonesia, Turkey, and possibly Germany, right in the heart of Europe's auto industry. Each new facility strengthens BYD's global supply chain and brings it closer to customers, reducing shipping times and costs. This global footprint lets BYD tailor cars for each market and sidestep trade barriers. It's a strategy that not only boosts sales but also builds trust with local consumers, who see BYD as a committed, long-term player. The message is clear. BYD isn't just a Chinese champion, it's building an empire for the electric age. Its presence is being felt from bustling Asian cities to the streets of Europe and the Americas, signaling a new era in global mobility. The world is its next showroom. As BYD continues to expand, it's redefining what it means to be a global automaker, one electric car at a time. BYD's global rise isn't without obstacles. Western nations, especially the EU, are hitting back with tariffs, like a 17% duty on BYD cars, to protect local automakers. These tariffs aim to slow BYD's momentum, but the company isn't backing down. CEO Wang Chuanfu insists that superior products will win, no matter the barriers. BYD's answer? Build factories inside major markets, bypassing tariffs entirely. Its build where you sell strategy turns protectionism into an advantage, embedding BYD deeper in local economies. The company is betting that innovation and consumer demand will outlast political roadblocks. For BYD, every hurdle is just another challenge to overcome. The global chess game is on. BYD isn't alone in the EV race. Tesla remains a fierce rival. With strong branding and tech leadership, especially in autonomous driving, Tesla's robotaxi launch and plans for cheaper models set the stage for a direct showdown. Legacy giants like Toyota are scrambling to catch up but struggle to match BYD's speed and cost control. This competition is great for consumers, pushing prices down and features up. BYD's free God's Eye system challenges Tesla's pricey full self-driving, while its low-cost models force the whole industry to adapt. The battle for the future of mobility is on, and the winner will define how we drive for decades. BYD's drive is powered by a bold philosophy. Its leaders see the shift to electric as a mission, not just a business. In 2025, BYD's Stella Li called for collaboration, even with Tesla, against their real enemy, the internal combustion engine. For BYD, EVs aren't just greener, they're better, smarter, and higher quality. The goal is to make petrol cars obsolete by making EVs the obvious choice. CEO Wang Chuanfu believes relentless innovation, not politics, will win the global market. BYD's strategy: make cars so good and affordable that demand breaks down all barriers. It's a confident worldview, betting on technology and value to change the industry. For BYD, the future is electric and inevitable. The auto industry stands at a crossroads. BYD's breakthrough tech and aggressive strategy threaten to end the era of gas-powered cars. Its hybrids solve range anxiety and make the sustainable choice the smart financial one. The pressure is forcing all automakers to innovate, making cars cleaner, smarter, and more affordable. Features once reserved for luxury models are becoming standard. Whether BYD's engine alone changes everything is uncertain, but its impact is undeniable. The dragon has awoken and the future of driving is brighter and more electric than ever. The age of the old car is running out of road.